Today, we are going to show you how to oil your etching machine. Get the bobbin case. Use the oiling pan to drop the oil inside the hook, then insert the bobbin case back. Find the oiling hole in the shuttle bed and use the oiling pan to drop some oil. Next, we will oil the needle bar part. Use the oiling pan to oil each needle bar in turn. Not too much, just 1 to 2 drops of oil. Then, find the screws on the top of the needle board panel. Use a screwdriver to loosen screws and remove the panel. Find the bottom of the needle bar and use the oiling pan to oil the lower part of the needle bar in turn. Reinstall the panel after oiling and tighten the screws. We select the needle on the electronic control computer interface. Select number 1 needle. The machine head starts to move to the left automatically. When the machine head stops moving, the guide rail will be completely exposed. At this time, use the oiling pan to spread evenly on the guide rail. Select the number 15 needle from the computer, and the machine head will automatically move to the right. Then, find the screw at the middle switch and use the screwdriver to loosen the screws. At this point, you can see the part of the reel hidden inside. Drop some oil with the oiling pan. Find the part that my finger points to. Loosen the screw with a screwdriver. Remove the metal sheet. You will find the dry block inside. Use the oiling pan to oil the dry block. After oiling, install the metal sheet and tighten the screws. Remove the color-changing model cover with a screwdriver and use a brush to apply grease evenly at the color-changing model cams and the axis. Refix the cover after lubrication. Click ESC to return to the function selection interface. Click Needle Select. Select number 1 needle, and the machine head starts to move to the left automatically. Find the position marked by the arrow and apply grease evenly with the brush. Then continue to select the number 15 needle. The machine head starts to move to the right automatically. When the machine head moves to the position of number 15 needle, you will see the exposed metal strip. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws from the top of the metal strip and remove it. Find the position marked by the arrow and apply the grease evenly with the brush. Okay, this is today's content, how to oil your etching machine. If you want to watch more instructional videos, please click subscribe under the video. See you next time.